Hi there, this is our MV-40 Wintec vertical machining centre, Taiwanese, really good quality. This one's came out of a government department and has been really looked after and is in good condition and works well. It's got the Fennec controller and also a PC with a screen and internal memory there, and also a USB input, etc. to run the different options for programs and running, etc. The system itself is capable of 3D work, and yeah, it's in really good order and ticks over nicely. I've got a program in there that will run the spindle first of all at 3000 RPM and then its maximum at 6, and you can hear that operating. Okay, that was at 3000 RPM, so I'll bump that up to 6000 and also put the rapids up to 100%. Yeah, so those are the programs and the machine operating there, and it's all set to go.